Hello and welcome to day one of Australian Manufacturing Week here at the Brisbane Convention and Exhibition Centre. The Alphaweld team is absolutely pumped to be part of this year's show lineup among 200 other exhibitors showcasing some of the finest and latest in welding technologies. Behind me, we have Alphaweld. Follow me, let's take a close look.
Hi guys, just going to do a quick shape with a couple of holes. So a little square, a couple of holes, draw it to the cam, where I set my thickness, select my amperage, so ready to cut, then throw it to me in CNC, then ready to press play.
Alright, so there we have it guys. If you happen to be in Brisbane and have an interest in the manufacturing sector, please drop into the Australian Manufacturing Week show and find us at booth 2560 in the Weld Air Zone. We can't wait to see you. Drop in, have a chat to the Alphaweld team. See you soon.